Hello students, today we will solve the exercise 7.3 of Math Standard 10th. In question number 1, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given below. In first part, vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, minus 4. Here area of triangle is equal to 1 half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So substituting the value, we have 1 half modulus of x1 means 2 into bracket y2 means 0 minus y3 is minus 4. So it is 0 plus 4 plus x2 is minus 1 into bracket minus 4 minus 3. y3 is minus 4 and y1 is 3. So it is minus 4 minus 3 plus x3 is 2 here into bracket y1 minus y2 means 3 minus 0. So here it is equal to 1 half modulus of 2 into 4 here minus 1 into minus 7 plus 2 into 3, that is equal to 1 half modulus of 8 minus minus plus 7 plus 6. So here it is equal to 21. So 21 divided by 2 is here 21 upon 2 square units. In second part, vertices are minus 5, minus 1, 3, minus 5, 5, 2. So here using the formula we have area of triangle is equal to 1 half modulus of x1 means minus 5 into bracket y2 minus 5 minus y3 is 2, minus 5 minus 2 plus x2 is 3 into bracket y3 is 2 minus y1 to minus 1, that is equal to 2 plus 1 plus x3 is 5 into bracket y1 minus y2 means minus 1 minus of minus 5. So it is minus 1 plus 5. So here it is equal to 1 half modulus of minus 5 into minus 7 plus 3 into 3 plus 5 into 4, that is equal to 1 half modulus of 35 plus 9 plus 20, it is equal to 64. So dividing by 2 it will give 32. So it is equal to 32 square unit. In question number 2, in each of the following find the value of k for which the points are collinear. So here in first part points are 7 minus 2, 5 1 and 3k. Here you have to find the value of k. Since these points are collinear, hence area of triangle formed by these points is equal to 0. So using the formula of area of triangle is here half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Substituting the value, we have here 1 half modulus of 7 into 1 minus k plus x2 5 into bracket y3 is k minus minus of 2, that is equal to k plus 2 here plus x3 is 3 into bracket y1 minus y2 means minus 2 minus minus 1. So it is equal to 0. Area is 0. So here it will be equal to 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10 here minus 3 into 3, that is minus 9, which is equal to 0. Here dividing here by 1 half we have it is equal to 0. So simplifying this we have minus 2k plus 8 equal to 0. So here minus 2k is equal to minus 8, minus minus is cancelled out. So here k is equal to 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 4. Here the value of k is 4. In second part points are 8 1, k minus 4 and 2 minus 5. Since these points are collinear, hence area of triangle formed by these points is equal to 0. Substituting the value here in the formula of area of triangle, we have half modulus of 8 into minus 4 plus 5 plus k into minus 5 minus 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 4, that is equal to 0. Here also we have 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. So here 8 into 1, here minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6, k into minus 6 plus 2 into 5, that is equal to 0. So here 8 minus 6k plus 10 is equal to 0. So here minus 6k is equal to 10 plus 8, 18, minus 18 and minus minus is cancelled out. So here k is equal to 18 upon 6, that is equal to 3. So here the value of k is 3. In question number 3, find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of sides of the triangles whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of the area of the areas of given triangle. Let point A is 0, -1, B is 2, 1 and C is 0, 3 are the vertices of triangle ABC, and PQR be the midpoints of sides AB, BC and CA respectively. So here it is shown in the figure, triangle ABC and PQR are midpoints of side AB, BC and CA. So here joining PQR we have a smaller triangle. So here we have to find the area of this smaller triangle and ratio of this triangle to the whole triangle. So here first we find the midpoints. The midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Here point P, Pxy is equal to, for P x1 is 0, x2 is 2. So here 0 plus 2 divided by 2 and y1 is -1 and y2 is 1. So -1 plus 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 1, 0. Here 2 divided by 2 is 1 and -1 plus 1 is 0, 0, that is 0. Similarly, point Q is 2 plus 0 divided by 2 and 1 plus 3 divided by 2, that is equal to 1, 2. Point R is equal to 0 plus 0 divided by 2 and 3 minus 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 0 and R, 1. Now using the formula for area of triangle is equal to half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So here area of triangle ABC is equal to half modulus of x1. x1 means 0 into y2 minus y3 means 1 minus 3 plus x2 is 2 into 3 plus 1 plus 0, x3 is 0 into y1 minus y2 means -1 minus 1. So here it is equal to half modulus of 0, 0 into something is 0 plus here 3 plus 1 4 into 2 8 plus here 0 into 0. So here it is equal to 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 4 square units. Now the area of a smaller triangle PQR is equal to half into modulus 1 into 2 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 0 plus 0 into 0 minus 2. So here it is equal to half modulus of 1 plus 1 plus 0. So here 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1 square unit. Now the ratio is equal to area of triangle PQR divided by area of triangle ABC. So it is equal to 1 divided by 4. So ratio is 1 is to 4, which is the answer. In question number 4, find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are -4 minus 2, -3 minus 5, 3 minus 2 and 2 3. Now let points A is -4 minus 2, B is -3 minus 5, C is 3 minus 2 and D is 2 3. These are the vertices of quadrilateral ABCD. As shown here, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Now for finding the area we have to divide this quadrilateral into two triangles. So we draw a diagonal AC. So we have two triangles ABC and ADC. So here we also find the area of each triangle by using the formula. We have half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Substituting these values, we have area of triangle ABC equal to half modulus of -4 into bracket -5 plus 2 minus 3 into -2 plus 2 plus 3 into -2 plus 5. Here -2 is cancel out 0. So here it is equal to half modulus of -4 into -3 into 0 plus 3 into 3. So here it is equal to 1/2 modulus of 12 plus minus 0 plus 9. 12 plus 9 is 21. So it is 21 divided by 2 square unit. Now the area of triangle ADC is equal to half modulus of -4 into 3 plus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 3, which is equal to half modulus of 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 into 4 minus 20, plus here 2 into 0, 0 minus 15, 3 into minus 5, so minus 15. So here it is equal to minus 20 and minus 15 is minus 35, and modulus of minus 35 will be 35. So it is equal to 35 divided by 2 square units. Now the area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ABCD is equal to 21 divided by 2 plus 35 divided by 2, which is equal to 56 divided by 2, and which is equal to 28 square unit. Question number 5. You have studied in class 9th, chapter 9, example 3, that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A 4 minus 6, B 3 minus 2, and C 5 2. Here triangle ABC is shown in the figure. Its vertices are also here written. Let here AM be the median of triangle ABC. Since AM is median of triangle ABC, so point AM will be midpoint of B and C. So here we have to find the midpoint M, that is equal to x1 plus x2, means 3 plus 5 divided by 2, and minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2. So it is equal to 8 divided by 2 and 0 divided by 2, that is equal to 4 0. So midpoint is M is 4 0. Now using the formula for area of triangle is equal to half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So here the area of triangle ABM, that is equal to half modulus of 4 into minus 2 minus 0 plus 3 into 0 plus 6. Here 0 minus minus 6 means 0 plus 6 plus 4 into minus 6 plus 2, which is equal to half modulus of here minus 2 into 4 minus 8 plus here 3 into 6 is 18 plus here minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4 into 4, that is equal to minus 16. So it is equal to half into here minus 16 and minus 8 is minus 24 plus 18, that is minus 6, and modulus of minus 6 is equal to 6. So it is equal to half into 6, that is equal to 3 square unit. Now area of triangle ACM is equal to half modulus of 4 into 2 minus 0 plus 5 into 0 plus 6 plus 4 into minus 6 minus 2, that is equal to half modulus of here 4 to the 8 plus 5 into 6 is plus 30. Here 4 into minus 8, so it is equal to minus 32. So here 30 plus 8, 38 minus 32 will give 6. So it is equal to half into 6, that is equal to 3 square unit. So here area of triangle ABM is equal to area of triangle ACM. Hence a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Hence the theorem is proved. Now we have completed the exercise 7.3, and exercise 7.4 is optional for you. You may solve it for your practice. In this way this chapter 7 is completed. Now we will see the next chapter in next video.